it's Gina and Quayla back with our 3-month update from the Red Restore laser cap. Now, of course, this video is sponsored by Red Restore, but of course, our opinions are all our own. We did try this out for 3 months on Gino, and he has had some results that we would love to share with you guys.
Once again, it's a laser cap, pretty good size. I got a big old head, so if it fits on my head, it's gonna fit on your head. Put it on your head, you go ahead and remove this, you'll hear a, then you know it's working. Let's be real, man. Hair is very important. When you're losing your hair, you're in your 30s, it's gonna make you look older. It's gonna give you less confidence. So that's a problem. I mean, this laser cap has really helped me out, mainly in these areas up front. I've been seeing that it's not as thinning as much. My hair's a little bit fuller and it has a lot of new growth right here. I was very skeptical at first just because, you know, it's all kind of treatments out there for men to grow hair. So I was a little bit skeptical. The one thing that really got me was the money back guarantee. I was like,
oh, okay, they serious, okay.
I get it.
The first thing that I really noticed is going to my job, going to work. I had a couple people like,
man, you look a little bit different. What's up? You look a little bit younger. What's going on?
You know, I just kind of smiled, didn't really say too much. And eventually I let my co-workers know what I was using. So, you know, it was a conversation in the office and everything. A couple of my co-workers like,
hey man, why don't you let us check it out, see if we can get some growth?
Because, to be honest with you, losing your hair, it's not an individual thing. A lot of men go through it. It's nothing to be ashamed of. But if you do something about it, do something about it. Go ahead and go to redrestore.com, purchase yours, and you'll see the results just like I did.
I started to notice the difference in Gino's hair like very quickly. So I was pointing out to him that it looked like in this area right here, which is really his problem area. So now I know it doesn't look like a lot because obviously his hair is getting to the point where it has to grow back. Like it was totally gone there. But what we noticed, and what I noticed really mainly, was that he started to see growth in this area here. So these hairs here are new grown in hairs. It was like, at first, like I was just like, okay, I'm not seeing anything. But then it started to get thicker. And even as he would comb his hair back, I would notice that it was getting thicker. And there's even some hairs coming in here on his forehead. I want to get a close up. We're looking really closely now, okay? This is like really closely. He's got new grown hair right here. Do you see that? Now this is all hair that was not there before. You can see there's new growth coming in, and he, you know, like I felt like, wow, this is really working. Now, I mean, of course it's gonna take some time, and this is why they extended the money back guarantee to 12 months instead of 6 months, because some people may take a little longer. So if you don't immediately see results, keep using it. You're gonna have a 12-month money back guarantee. But as you can see, like I said, there's brand new hair follicles here. That's a brand new hair follicle. This is a brand new hair follicle. Like this is a brand new piece of hair. This hair was not there. See this one too? Like there's brand new pieces of hair that are popping out. And, you know, I mean, to you guys are like, it's one hair there, but this is hair that was not there before. Again, it may take a while, but consistent use, you are going to see a difference. I saw the difference early. I was like, is your hair getting thick? Like, I was noticing that it was getting thickened in this area especially, but it's starting to grow back. And I think that this is why they extended the return policy, because you might take a little while to see results, and the results might come in a little bit like this one little hair, but remember, look at this part right here. Like there's no hair right there. All of this looked exactly like this. No hair, no nothing, just clean, you know, shiny. Now you can see little hairs growing in, and you know, as he keeps using the machine, it's going to continue to grow.
The most difficult part that I had with it was just the consistency of using it on a daily basis. You know, life happens and sometimes you're forgetful, but the key is once you start seeing the results,
Oh, you gonna remember.
when it gets your wife's attention, you're like, oh.
She ain't played in my hair in a long time. Let me go ahead and put that cap on.
It doesn't take a lot of time. It's only 7 minutes out your day. You don't want to be 30, looking like you're 40, about to be 50. So you want to be, you know, in your 30s, and people are like, dang, how long before you turn 50, bro? You know, that's going to mess with your confidence. It's not going to help.
The main important keys that I want you guys to remember is that there is a user code that you can get a discount your purchase if you use my code Quayla in the description box down below. You want to go to redrestore.com. It may take different amount of times depending on who you are and your hair and your head and your your health process.
We only a quarter way in. It's a 12-month trial.
Right.
And we're only 3 months in, and I'm seeing something.
First thing I was thinking.
Oh, see, it's over. It didn't take long at all.
It's a large for a large head. As you can see, my husband definitely has a dome, and that.
Shots.
Yeah, so this is FDA cleared. Now this is what it is in the inside. It does have all these lasers, lots of lasers. It's definitely going to take care of all of your problem areas as far as hair loss goes. And you do also get this cap so that you can take this if you decide to wear this while you're driving to work in the morning, or while you're going to the grocery store. You can just pop this cap on top and nobody even knows that you have on the laser cap. And I think that this is actually really commendable. I've never seen this before with any other company. They went from a 6-month money-back guarantee to a 12-month money-back guarantee. You've got to believe in your product.
Yeah.
If you have a 12-month money-back guarantee.
You might as well check it out, because to be honest with you fellas, don't nobody want to be bald, but
Ladies, this is for you as well.
I'm talking to my fellas though. Girl, you do need to fix them edges.
Definitely will work on some edges, boo. This is a no-risk trial, okay? You're going to try this. You're going to use it. Now, again, you're not going to get any results if you don't use it. You have to actually use it to see the results.
So you might as well act now. Start of the year is about to start.
Absolutely.
The beginning of the year is about to start. You can take all 2020 to see the improvement in your hair.
Very good.
So once 2021 hits, you'll know, you'll see the results, you'll check for yourself. And if you don't really like what how it's looking, you'll get your money back.
Exactly. And make sure that you use my link down below so that you can get that discount. And I can't wait to see your results. And I can't wait to see his results for the 6-month.
Yeah, we're gonna be back
for the 6-month update.
I'm gonna have a lot more consistency, man, on this next 3. I'm not slacking no more. 12-month money back guarantee. You really have nothing to lose but more hair. So what you gonna do, bro? Hey, sis.
All right, that's it.
Right. So you want to be, in your 30s, and people like, dang, how long before you turn 50, bro? 50, like, dude, I'll be 32 next week. See, you don't want that. That's gonna mess with your confidence. It's not gonna help. So this is why I asked the women to leave. They say, bro, we were supposed to be talking to each other right now. We got giggles in the background.